So it was really inspirational listening to you talk. I'm going to go back to the Ombudsman app about how you had a need, you filled the need with a Salesforce solution, and then you grew it into an AppExchange app. What advice would you give for those who have a great idea for an app and that they'd like to publish but aren't really sure how to get started? So maybe if you could walk us through, I guess, with a bit more detail on those initial steps that you took and challenges you overcame.
Yes. Yeah, I skipped over that because I was like, "Ooh, we're getting in the weeds." Yeah, so I mean, it's a long process, and I would say, start off with developing the idea, being able to articulate it, get user feedback, do your market research. Is it needed? What do the potential users think about your idea, and would they use it? I would do what I call the impact audit, which is the beginning with the end in mind and the impact on your life. I'm not talking about the impact on anything else. I'm talking about on your life and whether that weighs out. Ask lots of questions to everybody build your network, find mentors, and do that beyond even the military community. If it's an app with a mission and you truly believe in it, that could be an open source app, then get connected with that community. If it doesn't need to be a paid app, then there are other resources out there than trying to put it out in the world yourself.
And obviously, Mary, you didn't do this by yourself. You referenced the Tiger team and they helped you. And so if you could dive a little bit deeper into, not necessarily like the names of folks, but like from a functional perspective, who was on that Tiger team and how did you go about sourcing them in case folks are looking for resources for how to form their own Tiger team?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's important who you choose. I had recommendation on, I specifically said to a mentor, I said, I need somebody who's trustworthy. This is sensitive, topic. This is people who I wouldn't want to have access to, to everyone. So it was important that they had some sort of military background, and they had the knowledge to be able to help and a go-giver attitude. And so that was the architect. And then I needed people who believed in the mission as much as I did, who understood the cause. And so the first group of people were people who understood what it was about, who believed in it, sometimes more than I even did when the going got rough, who, were willing to pick me up by the bootstraps and carry on. If I said, gosh, it'd be nice to have this, I mean, the next day it was in my inbox, with very little effort on my part other than just coming up with ideas. And had that not happened, we probably wouldn't have gotten it published. So it really took a team of people to just get stuff done.